Today, we're going to build a bat tank using 10 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1 by 2 by 2/3 brick with studs on both sides. And this weird, ugly thing is going to be the back of our tank, and that front stud will be the front of our tank. And to kind of make this thing more solid, on the front side stud, I'm going to get a 1 by 1 tile piece and just put that right there on the front stud like this. And then on that back stud, near that kind of that large ugly piece, I'm going to get a 1 by 1 tile with clip on top. And I'll put the clip on top so that the clips are on the top and bottom of our bat tank. So it's going to be the top and bottom. That way we're going to put our treads in there later. And of course we're going to do that to both sides. So I've got my 1 by 1 tile clip on the back stud near this thing with the clips on the top and the bottom, and then a 1 by 1 tile piece on the front like this. And this is just going to make this more solid and look a little more, intimidating to our villains. And now on the back here, I want to cover this part here. And to cover that, I'm going to get a 1 by 2 tile piece and put it so that it goes on that back stud and hangs over it. And so now you kind of got that more solid look, and it's looking more like it can take a pounding like a tank should. And then we've got that front stud left. On that front stud, I'm going to get one of these 1 by 1 round plates with kind of a bar but with a hollow point, and that kind of looks like the cannon barrel, so hopefully you can see that in the camera. But we're going to put that 1 by 1 plate on that front top stud like this, and you kind of see that tank taking shape. Now on these back clips that I have, I'm going to use batarangs, and these batarangs are going to go into the clip and run along the side of our tank and act as the treads of our tank. And I like it so that the wings curve up, so it's kind of facing forward like this for my tank treads. But I really like that effect using the batarangs for the treads of our tank. And the nice thing is they're so long, by putting them in the back, they also cover up that little weird bar thing and again make this tank look like a solid object. And now one last thing I wanted to do is I just didn't like that flat end here, and you could stop there, but I want to make it just a little more intimidating. To do that, I got one of these 1 by 2 slope pieces and put it so that the fat end is on the bottom and it slopes up towards the cannon. But here's a completed tank for Batman to use if he just needs a little more firepower than his typical Batmobile.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.